Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my Boxy Luxe for September. I'm not peaked yet, but the reason I look like this is because I'm hoping to make another video after this one using some products in the box, if there are products that I can use as makeup. Hopefully there is, because I've seen a few of the sneak peeks on like Instagram, Twitter, and I'm hoping for a few products that was on there, but there was also like a water bottle on there, and I'm like, okay, weird, but whatever. I'm happy with whatever I get. I pay $54 every 3 months for the Boxy Luxe. Every month it's only like $21, $27, something like that anyway. But every 3 months it's $54 for a Boxy Luxe, which you get like 8 to 10 full, what am I trying to say? Full size products. But I didn't want to do a full face of makeup for this video today because I'm probably going to be making another video after this one to show you some of the products I get in the box, if I get some to use. But I just did my foundation, eyebrows, eyelashes. I think that's pretty much it. But anyway, let's get started. This month, Boxy Luxe is freaking huge. Like, I can't even get it to fit on the camera. It is huge. Huge. Look at that. It's huge. So, I'm going to use one of the little shaper things again to open it. And let's get started. I'm excited because this thing is so big. Excited. And then when you first open it up, it looks like, if y'all can see or not, it looks like this. It's got the card right there. So let's see. And this month is all access. If y'all can see that or not. And of course it's like bent up because of the way it was in the box. But I'm not looking at the back because that has all the products on it, and I'm not looking at it. To be surprised. So, upon opening it up, the lighting is messed up today. This is the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palettes. Very, very nice. So yeah, I'll definitely be using these in my next video, so y'all have to watch that one too. Very pretty colors. Very, very pretty colors. My ring light just messed up the thing. There we go. That's better. But these are really nice. I like these. And Halloween is just next month, and I'm going to try to at least do one video a week of a different costume. Cannot wait. I love Halloween. So our first product was Violet Voss Essentials. I'm not going to say how much they're worth until after the video because I don't want to look at the card. The next thing I pull out is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. You know, I hate trying to show stuff on this camera. I gotta get new lighting too. Ooh, this is really, really nice. This is after you take it out. Very nice. And it's like built up, see? Yeah, very nice. I like this. As soon as I find out what it is. Oh, okay, it's a face palette. Like bronzers and stuff like that. Setting powders. It smells like marshmallows. Nice, I like the smell of marshmallows. But when you open it up, it has a mirror here. It says chiseled like a diamond, if y'all can see that or not. Oh, you see my camera back there? That's nice. Okay, so I'm not going to put it back in its box because it's going to get used in the next video. So we're just going to put that box there. Next thing I pull out is an IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Ooh, that's nice. So it's like a leave-in conditioner, but you can use it like to blow dry before you blow dry and stuff like that. That's cool. Oh, it smells really, really good too. Like that. So there's that. I'm trying to move some stuff out of my way so I don't get everything confused of what I got and what I didn't get. Next thing I pull out is a Stila Stay All Day Shimmer Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like that color. It looks really pretty. Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. I cannot talk. Jeez, this color. We're just gonna swatch it. Ooh, that's a really pretty shade. Really pretty. I like that. Maybe I should wipe it off before it dries. If it's a stay all day, then it'll probably stay all day. Hopefully. I like stuff that stays on, so we'll see. Probably use that in the next video. And once again, I don't think I'm going to put it back in its box. Okay, what's next? What's next? Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Ooh, I like Dr. Brandt. I have their face wash that I got in another one of my Boxy Charms, and it was really, really nice. I like using it, so this should be good too. Nice. And I'm always looking for stuff to put on before I go to bed to help. Well, I might have to open it. Smells like my face wash. Yeah, I will definitely be using that. See if y'all can see it. Very nice. Next thing I pull out is going to be Tidal Brightening Enzyme Water Creams by Sunday Riley. Ooh, this looks nice. A lightweight oil-free gel cream moisturizer for instantly glowing dewy skin. Yay. That's nice. I love all these skin products too. I mean, I like getting makeup more, but everybody knows how bad my skin is, so I definitely need the skin stuff. It has like a kind of a like cucumbery chemical scent. I think I just splattered that on me. Anyway. Ooh, I really like that. That seems like a very high-end product. To me, it seems very high-end. And next we pull out the Hank and Henry Slick With It Blickety Black Longwear Liquid Eyeliner. Ooh, yay. Let's open this up and see how good it is. My trash can here is full. So, yeah. Why does it look brown? Ooh. Ooh, I really like that because I was like very, very, very... Oh, see, that's so easy to put on. Oh, yes, I love it. Already, I love it. And look, it's already like stuck. It's not even smudging at all. Wow. It's waterproof? I think I'm gonna like it. That'll be used in my next video too. And then, oh my goodness, y'all. I am so excited about this product. I have a Sutra Beauty 32mm 1 1/4 inch clipless curling iron. Oh my goodness. I've been needing a wand. Y'all know I took the thing off of my curling iron to make it a wand. I'm so happy. It smells good too. Ooh, I'm so happy. I can't wait to try this. It'll probably be tried in my next video because of course I have to let it warm up and stuff. This is so cool. Ceramic ionic heating element infused titanium polished barrel, bar infrared heat, clipless design, 360 degrees, swivel cord, yay, ergonomic grip handle, dual voltage. You'll heard me say yay after the swivel part of it because I'm always getting stuff tangled up. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Look at this. This is so nice. And it's got the rotating cord so you don't get it all tangled up. I'm so excited for this, y'all. So excited. Cannot wait to use it. It only has one setting, so I think it's all you need with a curling wand, right? That is awesome. I cannot wait to use this. Okay, so overall, let's start seeing how much this stuff is and add it up. I had to grab my phone so I could add it up. So, let me grab the card. I'm just going to lay my phone down here with my calculator on. So let's see how good of a deal we got this month. So the curling wand was worth $65. Then the Mistress Hydrating Balm was worth $29. The Sunday Riley Tidal Brightening Water Cream, $65. I told y'all this looked like high end. $65. So it was the same amount as the wand. The Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, $45. The Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, worth $22. Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner, worth $20. The Dr. Brandt Recovery Sleeping Mask, worth $52. Wow. And then the Violet Boss Eyeshadow Palette was worth $29. For a total of $327, if y'all can see that or not. $327. Wow. And I only gave $54 for the whole box. So very worth it. Very worth it. So if y'all are not subscribed to BoxyCharm, I'm in no way sponsored by them. I can prove to y'all, I pay for my boxes every month. They do not send me anything for free. I'm no way connected to them whatsoever. Yeah. So if y'all would like to subscribe to BoxyCharm, I highly advise it because it's the best deal you could ever get. Like, even if you just get the regular box every month for $20-something, then you're still getting great products for very, very cheap. That's worth a lot of money. So, and y'all see those boxes every month that I don't get my Boxy Luxe. Those are the boxes that you get every month. It's just the regular BoxyCharm box. But if y'all want to subscribe to BoxyCharm, I will leave the link below. And like I said, be on the lookout for my next video to pop up because I'm going to be using these products that I got in my BoxyCharm in just a few minutes and make another video. So stay tuned. This one is to be continued. All my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I love you all so much. And for all of your wonderful comments and supporting me, I love you all so very much. Please subscribe if you're not. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see y'all in my next video using these products. Love you.